Crypto bros, welcome back. In this video we're gonna see what's going on now on the market, what opportunities it brings now in July 2024, what's up with BTC, altcoins, etc, etc. Before we start, remember I'm not a financial advisor and this video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your research. As you can see, BTC is at 57k800 USD, and like I told you 2 weeks ago in the last video here on the channel, like I told you, if you are not sure about position, staying out of the position is also a position. That was the best what you could possibly do on the market. That was the best decision that you could take 2 weeks ago, because we went all the way down from 71k to 53k, so that was 25% correction. But if you look at what happened in the previous bull, we had a crazy dump from 64,000 all the way down to 29k. That was minus 54%, and from this level we still managed to go up back to 69k, so that was 136% increase in the price. Is the history going to repeat? No one knows that. No one knows how the market will perform. What we can see now is that BTC has been very much manipulated. Those news that has been recently pushed out regarding Mt. Gox, regarding Germany selling BTC, then buying BTC. Like, come on, do you think those news, haven't been planned? Do you think those news are just like a surprise and no one was expecting them? Of course, those big players know that now we have one of the lowest volumes on the market basically this year, and you can easily see that there isn't much happening on the market, so it's easier to dump the price, easier to manipulate the price, and this is how I see it now. Well, we've already had these two very negative news lately, and we dumped to 53k. If we get the Ethereum ETF, that might pump the price, that might bring the volumes again, that might bring the market again. So this is what I'm betting on now on the market. This is what I'm gonna do on the market. This is what I'm gonna try to outplay on the market. Now, Bitcoin season and altcoin season index, of course, Bitcoin season index, we've been having that for the whole June, for the whole July. It's just Bitcoin season. There's no reason to even touch altcoins again, right? For now, the only altcoins that have been pumping are meme coins, and you can see on Solana the volume is this is DeFi Llama. I encourage you to check this out. This is very useful site. This can give you a good info regarding different chains on the market. And as you can see, Solana doesn't care. Solana is just performing well. As you can see, volumes are still very high, over 2 billion daily volumes. And most of the coins on Solana are meme coins. So people who are trading now are degenerate people, degen meme coins traders, and they are doing the $2 billion market on Solana. The same on Base, right? Volumes on Base are decreasing now. The all-time high was in somewhere in June, and now the same thing that I exactly told you. Solana, I think, will be still performing best regarding meme coins. This is what's happening. Everybody was betting on Base. No, Base just doesn't seem like a chain for meme coins. It's way better to me. I feel that the money will still be made on Solana meme coins if you want to do the degen trading. But remember, this is very risky, and I don't encourage anyone. There have to be a huge strategy, an intelligent strategy on that. Now I want to show you a new project, Streamable Finance, and the reason for it is that I can see that they've been working on the project, and I can see that they've been developing the project, and those type of projects who have more work than hype for now and then can switch it into more hype, this is where the money could be. All right, so Streamable Finance, check this out. I'm leaving you all the links in the description. This is basically a fintech protocol, basically based on DLT. It's regarding instant transactions, where you can fully manage, where you can fully stop the transaction, where you decide fully on what's going on. That's why it's called streamable, right? It's like a stream your finances. This is what they're selling. Look, salary €2 per second, subscription services user. So regarding their token, the token is called Stream, especially projects that have been developing multiple products, because they have multiple products. Remember, check this out, because then imagine they have an airdrop, or imagine they have some rewards for early user. This might be interesting. All right, look, there's the whole app. This is the StreamPay product. I'm not connected with my wallet, so we're not gonna be able to see the things here, but you can see they have a DEX, right, swap. They have a wrap, meaning you can drop tokens. You can manage streams here. You can stake those stream tokens that we've been talking about in order to get more tokens. You have different pools. For crypto projects, having that much development is already something big. You know, you can see a lot of projects just coming to the market without anything, just with promises. If they have already something like that, you know, that's quite big. That's the graph, how it works. As you can see, you have your wallet here connected. You have a customer that inflows the money to the wallet, the ESUR wallet, and then your salary also comes here. The Streamable invest, the money comes here, plus 0.35 ESUR per second, and then it can go to whatever rent, right? If you're renting something or video streaming services automatically. That way you control it. They have their own STR USDT stablecoin as well. So I'm telling you, that's a big thing. If they manage to sell it, if they manage to market it, bring people to use the product. They have approved smart contract by Hacken. They have multiple partnerships. I would be open to start a partnership with them as well. Here is the tokenomics. You can stop the video if you're interested, especially regarding the unlocks, the allocation, as you can see. Treasury, bootstrap pool, etc. Liquidity pools, 25 million. Partnerships, private sales. Other for the team, there's 97, but 6 months cliff. The token is on BEP 21 billion total supply. So the stream circulating supply for now, as you can see, this is the explorers.streamfinance.com, and then the market cap, the current market cap is $51 million. So they even built their own explorer. This is something unique I haven't seen for long on the market. Trade volume 24 hours, pretty low, but remember, like I'm telling you, this is still something new. But you can see the recent issuance transactions, and this is big. Actually, you can see all the TX IDs. So they have their own explorer. Wow, that's big. The BSC mainnet, BSC testnet as well. So that's it. Check their social media on Twitter, StreamPay FI. Follow them and see how it goes. I'll leave you with that. Coming back to BTC, we're approaching 58k. Like I'm telling you, staying out of the position is also a position. Very soon it looks like something will start going on the market, and then you really need to start pushing. So that's how I see it. Is it the end of the dump? Are we going lower? Nobody knows that, right? This is just in the hands of manipulators of the market. This is in hands of people who want to dump the market or who don't want to dump the market, right? But what you can do is observe when it's the time to push, then you push, right? And then you jump on, because prices of altcoins are crazy, right? Crazy low. Even a cake, let's say a cake, it's almost down to the price from the bear market, which is crazy considering that BTC is on 58k. I still believe there will be a crazy good time for crypto this year. Just a matter of time, just a matter of getting in the right moment, and I don't feel it as a moment now. Just wait a little bit. Feels like it's coming. So thank you so much for watching. Keep you updated. Bye bye.